Hello everyone, welcome to Heaven Kitchen. Today we are gonna make Sev Puri. So it's very easy and quick recipe. As you can see, we have taken very few ingredients here. So let's check the ingredients. First we have taken puri, mashed potato, imli ka chutney, green chutney, garlic chutney, chaat masala, sev, tomato, onion, coriander. So here as you can see we have taken Sev Puri ka puri, not a normal one. So on puri we have put some mashed potato. After that chaat masala, a pinch of it. Then green chutney, that's coriander chutney. Onion. Tomato. After that's garlic chutney. Imli ka chutney. Sev. And at the end, some coriander. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to Heaven Kitchen for more